Okay, now that the tower, the inhalation tower is complete with the tubes, we're gonna have a look at the control panel. This is the heart of the system. So the panel controls all the flows going into the system, as well as the sampling lines. The panel is composed by a pressure regulator where the compressed air from your compressor comes in, and after this is distributed in 3 separate lines. The upper 2 control 2 separate dilution air lines that can be used with just the dry air of the compressor, or one can be used with optionally with a humidifier in case humidification is needed in the chamber. And the third line is the mass flow controller, which controls precisely the flow rate the aerosol generators is run on. After going through the mass flow controller, the air that controls the aerosol generator goes into this 2-way valve, which rotates up and down. By selecting which way the valve is positioned, we can either supply the aerosol generator, and that means that we are supplying the system with fresh test atmosphere, or if the switch is down, then we actually are cutting off the air supply to the aerosol generator and are just supplying clean air, breathable air to the animals. And this is the position when always the exposure starts and ends. And it's also the position when we quickly need to cut off the aerosol generation. The dilution air lines, after being controlled by these mass flow meters, go directly into the diluter. The pressure gauge here indicates the pressure of the compressed air supplied by the compressor. And the switch at the bottom corner of the panel is the switch that turns on the 2 sampling lines of the system. The switch is connected to the vacuum pump, which is running all the time when the system is running. And with the flip of the switch, this is off, and when you lift it, it turns on, so both sampling lines are operating. Whether you use both at the same time or just one, you plug the other one if you use just one. But actually the system supplies vacuum to both sampling lines through this switch. You turn it off, you turn the switch, you turn the toggle switch down, you turn off the sampling. And the red power switch that is at the other corner of the panel shuts down power to the flow meters and the mass flow controllers. Now we are going to connect the air lines of the system to the diluter as well as the vacuum pump. As you see here, all the air lines are color coded to help the user understand better what to connect and where to connect it. And the same color coding is also put in each and also labeled in each flow meter or outlet where the tubes are connected. Let's start with dilution air 1, which is the green line that is connected to the upper flow meter. All the air lines out of the panel are fitted with push to connect fittings that